Welcome friend to Modern International School. I am Asif, your maths teacher, and in this video session we are going to solve examples question of exercise 7b. This is class 7th chapter number 7, linear equation in one variable. And prior to this video we have already completed 7a with their examples. 7a is the basic concept that you help us to solve the further questions of example 7b as well as the 7c and all the exercise of chapter 7. So friends, here as you can see, question number first, 9 added to thrice a whole number gives 45. Here is the statement type of questions and we have to find the value of the required. Okay, then find the number. We have to find the number. No means number. Okay, now have a look friend. Solution. This chapter name is linear equation in one variable. That means here is the hidden and we have to make sure first we have to draw the equation with one variable, then find out the solution. Now see, 9 added to thrice a whole number. Now here is the one thing is whole number. First we have to find this whole number. Means suppose say x. Suppose whole number. Let required number be. Let the required number is equal to x. Okay, have a look. Now 9 added to thrice. First 9 added means 9 added. Add means plus to thrice. किस में add करना है? Thrice. Thrice means 3. Thrice a whole number. Whole number is x. Thrice a whole number. Thrice a whole number means thrice a number means thrice 3 times of a number. Whatever the number we consider, and we already considered as number x. So here is 9 added to 9. Then 9 is added. Then thrice the number. Okay, now gives means is equal to, gives us 45. So this is the complete solution of this equation that we have already solved this type of equation, such type of equation in the just previous exercise 7a. Okay, now we can easily proceed and solve and find the value of x easily. Okay, this you can write it according to the questions. Now this is 9 plus 3x as it is. Here is the 45. Now we have to find the value of x. This number required number. Here 3x as it is. Now this is 45. Now we have to bring this 9 towards left hand side with the negative sign. Okay, because why? Where is the positive change in negative? Now this is 45 minus 5. This is 34. Whatever the number. Now subtract. This is 15 6. This is 36. Now this is 36. Here is the 3x. Now look at the friend. Now here x is equal to, you remember, 36 by 3. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja. So x is equal to 2. This is the required number that you have to find. Okay, let me verify this. Is it right or wrong? Let us see. Here the 9 added to thrice. Have a look. 9 added to thrice means thrice a whole number. Okay, now gives what the number? First 9 plus digit 36. So 36 plus 9 becomes 45. And the question says gives 45. Here is the 45. That means here is the answer is true, correct. I hope you will understand. Now friends, see question number 5, examples of exercise 7b. This is the examples question. This is not the exercise problem. 7b के examples का questions है. Question number 5, a number has 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is added to the number, its digit get interchanged. Find the number. सिंपल इसको अगर ट्रांसलेट करें, एक नंबर है जिस 2 डिजिट का एक नंबर है जिनके 2 डिजिट का सम, सपोज अगर मान ले 50, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज 5 and 4 2 डिजिट का नंबर है. इनके डिजिट का सम कितना है? डिजिट का सम 9 है. इसी तरह का इसमें भी कोई नंबर होगा बट वी डोंट नो. मैंने एक एग्जांपल लिया. अब इन दोनों को सम 9 है. ओके, इफ 27 इज एडेड टू द नंबर, इसी नंबर में अगर 27 ऐड कर दे इसी नंबर में, देन इट्स डिजिट गेट इंटरचेंज. तो इसका डिजिट इंटरचेंज मतलब अगर 54 है तो इसका क्या हो जाएगा 45 हो जाएगा. कब? जब इसमें 27 इसको ऐड करेंगे तो ये क्या देगा 45. ठीक है, 27 जब ऐड किया जाता है तो मुझे वो नंबर फाइंड करना, मीन्स ये नंबर फाइंड करना. अब ये नंबर तो नहीं मालूम, तो मैंने एग्जांपल लिया, वी हैव टेकन द एज एग्जांपल, वी हैव टू कंसीडर दिस नंबर एज x, मीन्स बट हियर वन थिंग इज रिमेंबर, बट दिस नंबर हैविंग 2 डिजिट्स, then we have to find the ones digit. Suppose ones digit is x, जैसे example ones digit x. Now then write the tens digit, then to perform the numbers whatever the number, then we can proceed. Okay, now here suppose ones digit is x. Here have a look friends, इन दोनों का सम कितना 9 दिया हुआ. अगर वंस डिजिट अगर 4 है, वंस डिजिट अगर 4 है तो टेंस डिजिट क्या होगा 5. ये 5 कैसे आ रहा है 9 में, सम में से 4 को घटाएंगे, सम में से 4 घटाएंगे और ये 5 आएगा. ठीक है, सिमिलरली वी कैन फर्स्ट लेट वंस प्लेस डिजिट. क्यों वंस प्लेस डिजिट और मान रहे हैं क्योंकि ये 2 डिजिट का नंबर है, तो वंस और टेंस करके इसको सोल्व करेंगे. ओके, वंस प्लेस डिजिट सपोज x, मैंने मान लिया x. ओके, देन टेंस प्लेस डिजिट, तब क्या होगा टेंस प्लेस. अभी मैंने बताया जब दोनों का सम 9 है, वंस प्लेस 4 है, तो टेंस प्लेस 9 माइनस 4 मीन्स 5 होगा. 9 माइनस 4 सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, तो 9 माइनस x इसका होगा टेंस प्लेस डिजिट. ओके, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. वन थिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट, हाउ टू फाइंड द 2 डिजिट नंबर्स, मीन्स फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ऐड देयर expand, we have to add their place value, means we have to expand. Suppose 44 है, 44 फाइंड करने के लिए मीन्स वंस प्लेस we have to multiply वंस प्लेस by 10, no sorry, we have to multiply वंस प्लेस by ones, then tens place by 10 becomes the number. Okay, have a look, this is 54. Similarly we can multiply किसी भी नंबर को फाइंड कर ले. सपोज you have 2 digits, okay, ones and tens, then we have to perform the numbers of 2 digit, then we have to multiply 10 digits by 10 and ones digit by 1. Okay, now first numbers क्या होगा वंस डिजिट. एक फॉर्मूला है नंबर्स में, वंस डिजिट को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और टेंस डिजिट को किससे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, और दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो हमारे ये नंबर आएगा. एग्जांपल ग्रुप में देख सकते हैं. सपोज 23 की मैं बात करूं, नंबर्स फाइंड करना, दैट मीन उसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म लिखना है. एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऐसे इस तरह से 20 + 3, और इसको और एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 10 और 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1. हैव अ लुक, हियर इज द वंस प्लेस. सो वंस प्लेस डिजिट इज मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 and tens place digit is multiplied by 10 and then add both of them becomes the number itself. 20 + 3 becomes, this is why we have done over here. Here is the ones place digit multiply by 1, here is the tens place digit multiply by 10. Now solve. This is x 1 j x plus this is 9 multiplied by 10 one time, because this 10 is going to be multiplied with this 9 and this 10 is going to be multiplied this minus x. Remember, so 9 10 ja 90. Here is the plus, here is the plus, plus into plus plus, but here is minus into plus minus, minus 10x, 10 into x 10x. This is, yes, minus, this is x term, but the greater value having the negative sign, then we have to subtract and put the negative sign. Here the 9 minus 9x, because 10x में से अगर 1x जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा 9x, तो माइनस में लिखेंगे 9x. Okay, this is plus 9. So this is the number. And we have to find this number. This is the required number. Remember, and this could be written as 90 minus this is 9x. किसी को भी पहले आगे पीछे लिख सकते हैं, doesn't matter. ये number. This is the required number that we have to find. In order to find the number, first see, come to the questions. Now the statement is a number has 2 digits whose sum is 9. Okay. If 27 is added to the number. Now according to the question, now friends, see here now we are going to make understand the one thing is here. What does it mean? It's डिजिट गेट इंटरचेंज। मैं इसको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। लेट अस फिगर आउट विद द हेल्प ऑफ एग्जांपल। सपोज 45 एक नंबर्स है। ओके, ना इस नंबर को फाइंड करने के लिए 4 को टेंस प्लेस है तो 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 5 1 से तो 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। ये इस तरह से 40 प्लस 5 यानी फिर से 45 आ जाएगा। ओके, नो अगर सपोज गेट्स इंटरचेंज दिस डिजिट, अगर डिजिट को इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो 54 आएगा ना। हैव अ लुक, 54 आएगा। बट दैट मीन्स इसी नंबर्स को, हमारे पास तो ये नंबर से इस नंबर में आपको क्या उल्टा करना होगा, यानी वंस को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई वंस बाय 10 एंड वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई टेंस बाय 1, उल्टा रिवर्स मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। सेम वर्क वी आर गोइंग टू वर्क ओवर हियर। ओके, हैव अ लुक, इसी को जस्ट यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना। ओके, नाउ हियर द स्टेटमेंट once again, if 27 is added to the number, 27 को मैंने numbers to the number, whatever the number is here, 27 is added to the number. Okay, number its digit get interchange means is equal to इसका digit interchange. So we have two digits, first unit digit is x, ones place digit x and the tens place digit x, but we have to interchange here. Interchange means then we have to multiply tens digit by 1 and ones digit by 10. Remember, once again we have to multiply tens digit by 1 and ones digit by 10, then add both of them. Okay, अब इसको सोल्व करेंगे। नाउ सोल्व, दिस इज 27, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एज इट इज, हियर द सोल्व। नाउ रिमूव ऐड। नाउ हैव अ लुक फ्रेंड्स, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 27 प्लस 90 माइनस 9x is equal to, here 1 multiplied by anything become the same thing, 9 minus x, this is x into 10 plus 10x. Okay, now have a look, here is a 27 plus 90, 27 plus 90 means 7, this is 117 minus 9x is equal to, this is 9, here the plus 9x, because 10 having the positive sign, it is the greater value, so the answer is the great. Now this is, have a look, 117 as it is. Now bring this plus 9 minus, left hand side becomes the minus sign. Okay, here the 9x as it is, now as it is, now bring this minus 9x towards right hand side, change their sign, here the plus 9x, this is 9 9 8 18x. Okay, or now subtract 109, so this is 17 and this is 10, so 108. Now hence x is equal to, here x is equal to, because we have to find the value of x, then x is equal to 108 divided by this goes in denominator. Okay, so if you recite the read the 8 table, 8 1 j 18 1 j 18 8. Now have a look friends, 18 6 of 108. Okay, the value of x is 6, but we have to find the numbers. So our number is, remember, now our number is, now required number is 9 minus 9x. Okay, now 90 minus 9x, 90 as it is minus 9 and the value of x is 6, so this becomes 90 minus 9 6, so the answer is 45. So have a look friend, the 45 is your answer. So have a look friends, now check, let me check the answer. Here the sum of its digit is 9, here have a look, sum of its digit is 9, 4 plus 5 9. Okay, first statement is fulfilled. Now second, if the 27 is added to the number, if 27 is added to the number, अगर इस number में 27 add करेंगे, add की 5, this is no sorry friends, subtraction is wrong. 90 minus 9x is the 90 minus 9 multiplied by 6, value of x, this is 50. Now if you subtract 54 minus 90 becomes 36, sorry 36. Okay, now let me check, the sum of its digit is 9, here the 6 plus 3, the sum of its digit is 9. Okay, this is the first statement is fulfilled. Now second, if 27 is added to the number, इस number में 27 अगर add करेंगे, 27 is added to the number becomes 7 plus 6, yes 13, 1 is balance and 3 2 तो 5 और 6. इफ 27 इज एडेड टू द नंबर, अगर 36 में 27 एडेड किया जाए तो इट्स डिजिट इज रिवर्स, मीन्स 6 3 हो जाएगा, मीन्स 36 मीन्स 6 और 3. हैव a look, this is also fulfilled. Now I hope you will understand. So friends, you can solve all the examples problem. If you have any doubts, any doubt, so please ask me, comment in the comment box below and watch the video till the end very carefully, okay, because there are much more important questions of persisting of examples. So keep solving all the questions of examples, then you can solve exercise. Okay, now your homework is to solve examples, all examples, exercise 7b, 7th week के जितने भी example you have to solve. Okay, I hope you will understand. Have a nice day.